Check it out, man. Boss of the Globe. Up late night, thinking about the ladies. Women that look good for their men. Got the class boo. From the hood, she do her duty. But AOS, she even put it on her breast. I like that there. I do. Shake your head and wave your hands while your girlfriends dance. As I'm doing things here, enemies know they can't fuck with me. I'm so clear-minded that these enemies can't find it. Bitch, you heard what I do. I fuck bitches and run through crews of bitches with booty and big titties, tatas. I say ha ha. How you doing, baby? How's your father? How's your daddy? How's your mama? Is she still good? How's your Sunday? Sunday looking. I'm in the hood cooking. I'm in the Briz. I'm near the Briz Frisco smoking, choking. Near Oakland, near the coast, man. You see me smoking. Blunts to the facial, into the nasal. I'm not the hater. I'm an alligator. See you later, players. And all you fakers. Because you can't beat me. You can't even see a G on my hat. That's why I rap. And all you bitches still stuck on my dick like you need a fix. Just holla at a pimp. That'd be easy. You gotta be walking easy. You gotta know how to be easy. When the enemy come around me, you better be easy. I got the 9. I know I put the Uzi on you. Just right behind you is fine if I have to grab it. So why even say damn it? If I get too mad at some shit they said,